Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 26th of May. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court flagged out of context clips of proceedings on social media. DU UG admission 2022 spot round 2 dates out. Maharashtra to make voter registration mandatory for students above 18 years seeking admission to colleges. Indian Army felicitated retired Havaldar on his 100th birthday. IIT Roorkee in forefront of pursuit of research, Lok Sabha Speaker. Indian history not just about slavery, PM scoffs at colonial conspiracy. Jai Maharashtra painted on Karnataka buses, B. Bommai condemned incident. Allahabad University PG counseling dates out, registration begin 25 November. Private schools in Karnataka seek to draft their own textbooks. Amitabh Bachchan's voice image can't be used without permission, court said. 3 arrested for flying drone near venue of PM Modi's Gujarat rally. Odisha bureaucrat accused of mental harassment by personal assistant. Violence hit Assam Meghalaya peace talks. Conrad Sangma met with Amit Shah. And now some international news. Vladimir, answer us. Mothers of Russian soldiers fighting in Ukraine. Mission number 1. Zelensky urged Europe to avoid division amid war. Malaysia's longtime opposition leader, Anwar Ibrahim, sworn in as PM. After violent protest at iPhone plant in China, Foxconn promised $1,400 payments to workers. UK police arrested 142 in biggest global crackdown on phone scammers. Iran is in a full-fledged human rights crisis. UN rights chief. Germany counters Poland a demand to offer Patriot missiles to Ukraine. Elon Musk said Twitter verification launch tentatively Friday next week. EU expressed concern over layoffs as Twitter closed its Brussels office. Now some sports news. India remained top of ICC World Cup Super League table despite loss to New Zealand. Imran Khwaja reappointed as deputy chair of International Cricket Council. World Team Chess, India losses to Uzbekistan in semi-finals. Ghana's Otto Addo blamed gift Cristiano Ronaldo penalty for Portugal defeat. FIFA World Cup, Iran players sing national anthem against Wales, having opted against doing so in England match. Cristiano Ronaldo became first man to score in 5 different FIFA World Cups. World Team Chess Championship, India defeated France to reach Final 4. Now news related to business. Sensex and Nifty rise to close at a record high for second straight day. Rupees steady at 81.69 despite a weaker dollar on Fed rates outlook. Nirmala Sitharaman met state finance ministers for pre-budget talks. Jio's 5G network now covered all district headquarters in Gujarat. RBI's letter blamed global factors for failure to meet inflation target. SEBI cut timelines for dividend payout to mutual fund unit holders. India capable of generating 97 growth, PM Economic Advisory Group member. Forex reserve draws to second week up $2.54 billion to $547.25 billion. India UAE central banks hold talks on rupee dirham trade. Panel on GST, levy on online gaming, casinos to summit report next week. News from Science and Technology. Scientists discovered massive exoplanet, a Hulk among super Earths. Artemis 1 could be the last mission for NASA astronauts. NASA's Perseverance rover discovered possible organic compounds in Mars crater rocks. Scientists have found a way to manipulate digital data stored in DNA. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.